Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best rolling pins. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Joseph Adjustable Rolling Pin. For bakers who like to be precise, but might not be the best at eyeballing how wide or thick their dough is, the Joseph Adjustable Rolling Pin is the ideal solution. The barrel of the pin has engraved measurements, so you can tell just how long your pastry measures without having to break out the ruler. Just as importantly, this pin will help you measure out the thickness of your dough as well. Simply put one set of the colorful silicone rings on the ends of the pin, and it will help you measure your dough to 1/16 inch, 1/6 inch, 1/4 inch, or 3/8 inch by keeping the pin raised to those heights. Of course, if the thickness doesn't matter that much, simply remove the rings and you'll have a completely straight dowel or shaker-style rolling pin that is similar to the French style, but without the tapered ends. The pin itself is made from solid beech and measures 16.5 inches long. Be sure to hand wash the rolling pin to keep it in good condition for the longest amount of time. Number 2. Farberware Classic Wood Rolling Pin. Made from moisture-resistant hardwood, this no-nonsense rolling pin is a solid choice for any kitchen. The barrel portion of the rolling pin measures 10 inches, which is pretty standard for most rolling pins. This model even rivals our budget pick in price, so even if you aren't sure how often you'll use it, you won't have to worry about spending too much on this pin. Even though this model has nylon bearings which should be rust-proof, it's still best to hand wash this rolling pin and dry it immediately after to prevent any warping or cracking of the wood. Customers have praised the minimal finish on the barrel, saying it prevents sticking, but as with all rolling pins you'll need to add some flour to make it completely non-stick.
Stay
the
one
complaint
step
from
ahead in the
customers
kitchen
is
with
that the
Farberware.
handles are a bit stiff at first, making it hard to roll until the pin loosens up a bit. But once you've used it a couple of times, the bearings start rolling more smoothly. Number 3. Fox Run Polished Marble Rolling Pin. Aside from being aesthetically pleasing, a marble rolling pin has a couple of major benefits. First, unlike wood, a marble pin can be chilled in the fridge or freezer, which is ideal for working with temperature-sensitive doughs like puff pastry or pie crust. Second, marble pins are generally heavier than their wooden counterparts, so they can help flatten a stiff dough with ease. This model from Fox Run has a 10-inch pin and 4-inch wooden handles on each end. It also comes with a matching wooden base to make it easier to store in a cabinet or on your open shelving. No more worrying about a heavy 5-pound marble pin rolling off the shelf and onto your toes. As with all our rolling pin picks, this one should be hand-washed with soapy water and dried immediately. Fox Run also makes a black marble version, but it is more than double the price of the white marble. Number 4. J.K. Adams Gourmet Rolling Pin. This style of rolling pin, also called a baker's or American rolling pin, is most likely the one you are familiar with. It has a wooden barrel that rotates around a dowel attached to 2 handles, usually wooden as well. This is by far the most common style you'll find in home kitchens. The 12-inch rolling pin is made in Vermont of solid maple, and the barrel is waxed to prevent sticking when you're rolling out your dough. The rolling pin is easy to care for thanks to the steel axle that runs through the middle. To clean it, scrape off as much dough as you can, then wash it with warm soapy water and dry it immediately. The one complaint from consumers has been that J.K. Adams puts a sticker on the rolling pin, and it can sometimes be challenging to remove all the residue. Thankfully, a bit of vegetable oil or an adhesive remover like Goo Gone should take care of it. Just be sure to wash it before using for the first time. If anything does go wrong with your rolling pin, you'll be happy to know it's covered by a lifetime warranty. Number 5. OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Rolling Pin. OXO Good Grips Non-Stick Rolling Pin is an innovative new addition to the kitchenware family. It features the eye-lag coating that reduces sticking of dough and other cooking projects, making them much easier to roll out. The silicone textured surface also means that you can knead dough without it sticking to your hands. The OXO Good Grips non-stick rolling pin has a durable silicone surface, so it can be wiped down for easy cleaning after use. It also comes with a spare silicone rolling pin cover for added convenience. If you're looking for a cast iron or stainless steel nonstick rolling pin for everyday use at home or in your professional kitchen, this is the best choice. It has a large diameter that's perfect for end cuts of dough too. At no time will you struggle to knead bread dough with this high-quality roller. This OXO rolling pin is made of lightweight steel with a non-stick coating. Like marble, steel can be chilled in the fridge or freezer for use with the butteriest doughs. It has thicker than average handles for comfortable usage and is easy to clean, making it great for beginners. Thanks for watching the video.